Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing y'all how we used these universal tool hooks in our garage to help store lunchboxes and bags. Okay, so this space is right behind that is our water heater, and over here is the side of the wall, and we are renting, but we don't really care. We need extra space, and I have so many bags and lunch boxes that we need to store, and we just don't have any space. And when I found these hooks at the Dollar Tree, I thought, well, those could probably hold a bag. They're not super heavy duty, but they work for bags and lunch boxes and things. And I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's been so helpful. We've had these hooks up for probably a good 2 months, maybe more. I wanted to make sure that they were lasting before I showed y'all. And they're all still going super strong. So yeah, these are a great buy. And they do have a 4 count, a 5 count, and a 6 count. So just make sure you're getting the 6 count if you see it to get more for your money. And this is, like I said, about 2 months later. I have lunch boxes hanging on these hooks, and that frame is actually for a picnic basket. The liner's in the washer. But yeah, this has been holding my bag so nice, and like I said, it's still going strong. Definitely a must buy. Alright, that is it for today's video. I will leave the playlist to Dollar Tree on this end screen here. So definitely go check out that. I show all kinds of fun things you find at the Dollar Tree. And that's it for today's video. See y'all tomorrow. Bye guys.